Some folks did see some rain this morning. Sheboygan County had some good downpours, as well as Fond du Lac County. I wish I had better news because the storm chances today have really been in flux. I mean, yesterday, by the time I went to bed, it looked like we had a squall line coming through right around now. Of course, woke up about 5 or 6 hours later. We shifted that back past 10 o'clock in the morning. So want to talk to you through the storm chances here this morning. Right now, there is an active severe thunderstorm watch across the UP of Michigan, northern Wisconsin, back into the Arrowhead of Minnesota. That has really been where the core of showers and storms has been ongoing during the overnight hours. What I have noticed in the high-res modeling, which has really been inconsistent here over the last 12 to 18 hours, is that our morning round of showers and storms, the squall line that looked like it could go through this morning, well, that was developing from storms that fired over far northern Wisconsin and then tracked southward. As you'll see in the model guidance, those storms aren't there right now. The models are painting storms there. So we like to say the models are not initializing correctly. That means that anything that comes afterwards really does need to be taken with a grain of salt. So unless and until I see those storms form in northern Wisconsin, I remain skeptical about the morning opportunity for severe storms here in southern Wisconsin. Nevertheless, we're going to continue to keep an eye on it. A lot more of the activity right now out over the open waters of Lake Michigan. We did have some earlier showers and storms roll through northeastern Wisconsin, and that did clip Fond du Lac and Sheboygan counties this morning. We have temperatures starting off in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees near and south of Interstate 94. And this is really where we have seen some patchy dense fog develop over about the last several hours. Dew points remain very high this morning in the mid and upper 70s, a 78-degree dew point right now in Milwaukee. So between now and noon, this is what I'm looking for. Storms moving south from northern Wisconsin if they are able to form. Strong and severe storms would remain possible. Later on this afternoon, and this is going to be very dependent about what happens this morning, we'll have a cold front that drops in from the north. This could launch a few additional showers and thunderstorms. Wind and hail would be the greatest risk on those storms later this afternoon and into the evening. The confidence level, however, folks, remains low. The models just are not handling this setup and this situation well. So at this point, best advice, prepare for the potential of storms and stay tuned for updates. The Storm Prediction Center still has a level 3 enhanced risk of severe weather in place for southern Wisconsin. I will go ahead and show you the high-res modeling. You saw those storms in progress over northern Wisconsin. That is not reality right now. So I am remaining pretty skeptical about this line of showers and storms during the late morning into the early afternoon. We will keep an eye on it. If we do see storms fire in northern Wisconsin, then the chances of that go up. And then we'll look for the cold front a bit later on this afternoon, which would spark a few additional showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon into the evening. Highs in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Heat advisory in place for our western counties to account for that potential of heat index values climbing close to 100 degrees. Then tomorrow we open the sky back up to sunshine, low 80s for the remainder of the week. Another chance of rain Friday into Saturday.